23 Rogue. Yes, that's coffee. We're doing cabin filter. Now, I do not think you have to do this, because you see this notch right here? Okay, it actually matches where the cabin filter would be, the door. Now, the reason why I took this off is because A, I wanted to see if I can do it, because you see how I got the little hooks? Yeah, you definitely need both hands for this. Take this guy off, push this up and over to get this squeezed around. See how it's like a hook? You have to go up, over, and squeeze in. You can do it. I have faith in you. But the only reason why I did that is because they have this little handle. This guy right here. Now, they make it seem like you could just pull with your hand. Yeah. If this guy wasn't in your way, that's actually not as easy as I made it look. Because once you have it up, I'm going to show you. Once you have this back up, let me put this back. So you do have to squeeze in, but you see how much smaller the room is? Leverage, if you're lucky, you can do it. Okay, leverage now is interfered because now you got this big glove box in your way. Or you can invest in this thing. I love this thing. With two hands, you squeeze this guy, okay, and then you use this guy to pull the door. So that's what I did with both hands, not taking this guy off. But you need no tools to take this guy out other than some up, squeeze, and pull this guy over, you see? Same over here, but you ain't doing it with one hand. So let's get this guy back out of our way, pretending that we're doing this by ourselves and not have a tool. Continue on. I'm going to throw this right in the middle of the video. If you decide to pull this thing off, and this happens to you because Nissan has a suckle meter of 0 to 10, and this is a 9. Everything just sucks. See that hole right there? See how I'm moving around? There's a peg right there, right behind it, and it popped off. You gotta align this hole onto that peg. You see? But you gotta get the door off first so you can see that. Stupid. But now you see what you gotta do. It'll pop back on so you can get the stupid shock to close properly. I can't do it with one hand because I don't have enough leverage, but you see what I'm doing. So, moving forward. You can do it. You gotta fight. Get this guy down first as you pull this one. But again, maybe your hands are stronger than mine and do it without it. But once you have this out of your way, look how much more leverage you have. Right? See? Your hand isn't straight and cocked and pressured, and just take it out of your way. Whatever. Pull this guy out. And there you have it. Air! I'll put the link in the description. Is this thing dirty? Nope, not really. Let's pretend that we're cleaning this out, and there you go. Put it right back. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.